Hey, and welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Before we start, we would kindly ask you to give this video a like if we were able to deliver some value to you, and also feel free to subscribe to our channel at any given time. One last thing before we start, please remember that this video is not financial advice and we are not financial advisors, so before you invest any money, please do your own research. That being said, to the video now. In this video, we will learn how to make passive income with NFTs, but first a bit of an overview. Cryptocurrency investment is maturing, and numerous trends are gaining traction and indicating that they will be the next big thing in the crypto industry. The technology underpinning Bitcoin non-fungible tokens, NFTs, is swiftly taking shape as a passive investing option in the ever-evolving blockchain world. NFTs have grown in popularity to the point that well-known businesses, celebrities, and investors are founding or considering launching their own. This is especially true in the gaming business, where NFT has fundamentally transformed the industry. The top NFT games, such as Guild of Guardians, Axie Infinity, and Illuvium, may be found on this site. The popularity of NFT is rapidly expanding, as seen by recent data. NFT sales totaled $250 million in 2020, with a total value of $2 billion in the first quarter of 2021. NFTs, on the other hand, are not all created equal. Some are incredibly valuable, while others are worthless. Let's define the phrase before we go into the most profitable ways to make money using NFTs. Before going any further, we should understand what are NFTs. What is non-fungible token? Non-fungible products or assets are goods or assets that are not interchangeable. It is the act of making or possessing something that cannot be replaced. Fungibles are items that may be swapped out for others. As a result, non-fungible tokens are data units recorded on a blockchain that certify a digital asset as unique and, as a result, uninterchangeable. You might think of them as a digital version of private collections, with each piece having a unique worth. What are the ways to passive income with NFTs? If you've ever wondered how individuals make money using NFTs, you'll be encouraged by the fact that there are various options. Take a look at the different ways that have yielded results. 1. Digital works of art. In terms of profitability, individual NFT artworks are among the most popular and lucrative non-fungible tokens ever created. On March 11, 2021, the history of blockchain and art altered radically when an auction house sold artwork for a whopping $69 million. This was the first time the auction house has auctioned an entirely digital artwork. NFTs provide artists the right of ownership, allowing them to present proof of authenticity and earn from their work when they generate digital assets. If you're the one who created the meme, you'll reap the rewards when it becomes viral. NFTs are a groundbreaking technology for artists when seen in this light. 2. Fashion NFTs. NFTs handle authenticity concerns and eliminate the potential of counterfeits in the same manner that artwork does. Clothing and fashion companies both are increasingly taking advantage of the NFT trend by creating a digital limited edition of their clothes with a variety of legendary celebrity items or design trademarks. Clothing and fashion firms may also benefit from NFT growth by creating an NFT marketplace for their apparel and accessories. This allows people to earn a limitless amount of money from NFTs in a safe and secure atmosphere. 3. Licensed collectibles. Tokenizing collectibles is one of the greatest specialized applications of NFTs, and it appears to be the most natural approach to deal with them. People that are already in the business of selling tangible relics like trinkets, mementos, trading cards, and other objects merely have to offer digital assets today. The value of collectibles can be substantially higher than their actual equivalents thanks to NFT's ability to establish rarity. Sports cards have proven to be the most popular collectibles thus far. Initially, the Sports Card Initiative only permitted licensed footballer cards to be traded. The National Basketball Association, NBA, has now created its own NFT card set. There's a good chance that other sports may follow suit, giving collectors a greater range of sport NFTs to choose from. This isn't to imply that other collectibles aren't thriving. Physical items can be converted into tokenized assets and bought, exchanged, or sold as such, as previously indicated. While physical trading and handling can degrade collectibles, NFTs never lose their value since they are only available in digital form and are kept safely on the blockchain. 4. Video games. NFTs for video games are also forming since blockchain lets you switch from paying to win to playing to earn. NFT game creation is the way to go if you want to attract a broader audience and improve income potential with high-demand prizes. The games have features that allow you to purchase, sell, trade, or swap your treasures. Although no such games have achieved widespread appeal so far, the potential is huge. Gamers are renowned for being major spenders on virtual products, thus video games with NFT sellable in-game items are likely to be a great hit. Notably, NFT video game producers are also aspirational NFT designers, which might propel the NFT technology forward. In-game NFTs are the most advanced of all NFTs when compared to other NFTs such as artwork, fashion, and trade cards. This is because they are sophisticated and completely interactive, yet they alter over time as a player's character evolves and has to be upgraded or leveled. 5. Earning royalties on your NFT. Using the creator share function on whichever platform you're using to sell your NFT is one of the easiest scalable methods to earn a passive flow of revenue. This is how it goes. Rather than selling your NFT for a one-time price, the creator share feature allows you to receive a share of the revenues if the original buyer decides to sell the NFT to someone else. As a result, you'll continue to receive a share of the sales price each time the NFT you designed is sold. The fact is that no one can predict how much the NFT will be valued in the future. Imagine owning a piece of the Beeple's image, which sold for $69 million only a few months ago. Yes, the numbers may be rather shocking. When the NFT is sold, royalties are paid automatically using smart contracts. What a convenient method to earn money while you sleep. You could flip your NFTs the traditional way by purchasing at a lower price and selling at a higher price, but nothing beats earning money every time the asset changes hands. 6. Earning staking rewards. Your NFT shouldn't be staying in your wallet all the time. Participating in staking programs is another simple method to make passive money. You may borrow other crypto assets using your art, music, or video NFT as collateral. You must stake the assets you anticipate will increase in value over time in order to earn rewards on those coins. Being a part of the staking program might earn you a passive benefit. Stakeholders on the POS blockchain are commonly rewarded with a percentage of their stakes ranging from 3 to 300%. 7. Renting your NFT. It's fine if you don't want to sell your non-fungible token. Why? Because there will be individuals who require access to certain of your NFTs but do not wish to purchase them. All they have to do is rent your NFT, and therein lies the chance to earn more passive money from your NFTs without having to sell them. The NFT rental marketplace is not currently available on the major NFT exchange platforms, but it will be in the coming months. It is only prudent for you to maintain a high level of alertness. If you are one of the NFT holders who do not want to sell or stake your NFTs, you need to pay even more attention. You can rent out your NFT for a set amount of time if you have this functionality enabled. The advantage of NFTs is that you can rent them out for more than a sliver of their original value. You may also determine the rental price based on how much you think it's worth and how much the other party is prepared to rent it for. Before the NFT is issued for the stated duration, the borrower must release the agreed amount. The rent option is already being worked on by Flow, Yield, and Horde Exchange on respective platforms. Final thoughts: the non-fungible future. Non-fungible tokens do not appear to be a fleeting blockchain and crypto fad. With its various and distinct uses, it appears that this technology has merely scratched the surface. The fact that only simple images are currently popular demonstrates that no one can accurately predict the technology's ultimate potential. As the popularity of NFTs grows, more complicated tokens may emerge, allowing for a further expansion of the NFT market. Furthermore, NFT developers are rapidly coming up with new ideas for various industries. Various businesses such as real estate, media, and entertainment have already benefited from NFTs thus far. So, these are the ways to earn passive income with NFTs. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, then please give a big like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. If you feel this video has given you some value, then please let us know in the comments down below. We want to know if we should make more videos like this one for you guys, because we care about our community. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next video.